How many of us are very authentic to ourselves? We have a self-image and we have an image which others think we are, and the greater the gap between the two, greater is the stress. You have to be authentic to yourself. For example, I would like to think of myself as an expert who never makes mistake, or who tries to learn from those mistakes and does not repeat it. Now, I lost a lot of money in 91, 92 when I completely trusted a friend in the broking business, and well, he messed up and I lost money. Then I realized that I messed up not because he messed up, I messed up because he was a friend and I trusted him, but I was not verifying his competence in doing the business. He's still a good friend, there is absolutely no doubt about it, but he messed up and I lost money, right? So similarly, these biases do impact us. Like, I think I'm a very good fund advisor in the sense that I tell people what to pick, and I would actually be recommending Franklin Templeton Ultra Short Bond Fund, etc., because I thought that fund manager was good, and he knew his job. Of course, he knew his job. What went wrong was some part of the strategy went wrong, and that hurt me in the sense that I personally have money stuck there, and I'm feeling worse about the people whom I advised to put money there, whose money is stuck. Luckily for me, most of my clients are rich and they can afford this delay, but I have got to accept to myself first that yes, I screwed up, right? I gave them advice which I thought at that point in time was good, but it was wrong advice. Obviously, it was wrong advice. So being authentic is useful, because if I am not authentic to myself, I will not admit that I made the mistake. So that's important. So looking at the mirror and saying I erred in choosing a wrong fund because I was just there to preserve wealth, not to create wealth, right? So why did I have to do that? Well, I did it and I lost money for my clients or my friends or people who watch, and that is little painful. Hopefully by end of March I would be able to do a video saying at least the money has started coming back, and by July, August of 2022 be able to tell you, thank God, all your money is back. I do not know a time frame or anything, I'm not getting into that, but please realize that it is nice to say the truth, saying I erred, me culpa, whatever, and accept it and go on. So what is important is, if you want to be authentic to yourself, first of all, don't hide your imperfections. Don't say I'm perfect and something went wrong with that fund. Yes, of course, something wrong with that fund, something went wrong with that fund, but as a senior in the profession, maybe I should have seen it, right? So only when you admit your own mistakes to yourself, looking at the mirror and talking to yourself, I'm looking into a camera and talking to myself, is to say that well, at least I'll change, instead of saying no, the fund was wrong. Of course the fund was wrong, but I chose the wrong fund, and what was hurting me was perhaps the personal bias, the same mistake which I made 30 years ago, right? Personal bias. When you know a fund manager, you know his strategy, you have seen it for 10 years, 12 years, and it has worked, you're blinded by that, right? So blinding happens when you try to hide your imperfection, saying don't worry, it will not happen again. I'm hoping that I will learn enough that I don't make such a mistake again. And telling the truth is very useful, because I have not told any of my clients that you will get your money day after tomorrow. I've been trying to say that it will get delayed, but yes, it's happening. It is happening slowly. Somebody went to court and whatever, but there's nobody else to blame but you yourself to be blamed. Did people trust me when they put the money? Of course they trusted me. Is it their fault? No, it's not their fault, because they also judged me over 3, 4, 5, 7 years, or on the basis of my vlogs and blogs and my writing in the financial press. They saw something and they trusted me. So did I let them down? The answer is yes. And then I can only tell you, do what you feel is right, which means you wait for some more time, get your money. After that you decide what to do with that money. So right, so you have to stand up for yourself, stand up for your beliefs, do whatever is right. And how does all this relate to future businesses that you're going to do with by watching other experts or talking to experts is, we need to be growing up, we need to push our boundaries, we need to say, I am not so comfortable investing in equity, so I will learn more. I'm not so good at structuring my portfolio, so I will put more money in an index fund. I don't understand debt, so I will stick to PPF and national savings certificates and things like that and pay tax. But I will also learn how to invest in ultra short bond funds, low duration funds, and see what is happening. I will not chase returns, I will chase the process, right? These are all things which you can learn on your own. And the advantages of being authentic to yourself and to your friends and your clients is to say, yes, there will be some people who are unpleasant, they will say no and say, I don't know. They are better than people who just to please you will say things like, oh, I think this is good, this is a sensible choice. Sometimes you don't know the answer. Sometimes you want to look good to match your inner self and your outer self. That actually hurts you in the longer run, right? So if you don't know, say you don't know, or you should be blunt. So when I look at portfolios, there are portfolios which I look at and say, boss, this is horrible. You are unfit to be a DIY, right? To be a DIY, there are some qualifications which are necessary. I think I've even done a video on that. So be authentic to yourself. Have the guts to talk to your boss, say, I can do this, I can't do this, ask for your raise, do all those things, because only when you're authentic to yourself will you be authentic to your friends, clients, relatives, wife, children, everybody. And being authentic creates a good portfolio that's useful. Thank you.